I'm back because I said I was going to show you guys how to get your applique ready to be hand sewn. So this is the applique. I already cut some of the mesh off, but for the most part, I'm going to show you how to take the mesh all the way off to where you can. On areas that's like this, in between there, I don't necessarily go in between there. I just stay around the edges. And when you get to the bottom, you do not have to go through each individual stone. I just stay along the edges like the main part of this applique. And then you can just take these off when they come off and glue them back on or sew them back on. It's up to you. Or you could just trash them. Just extra little pieces. Sorry, y'all. My nose is stopped up a little bit. It is a little cold up in here. And I'm still hoping y'all can see me. I don't know if I'm out of focus or what. But I am going to show y'all how it's look without the mesh. Basically, you want to stay on the outside. You do not want to cut or burn your seams where you see some of the stones are attached, because they'll start falling off your applique. So I'm just staying on the outside. Because the same part that you're taking the mesh off is the part that you would sew onto the dress. And this really don't take no time at all. So it's the hand sewing that takes a lot of time. These little pieces take up to 2 hours to hand sew if you hand sew it properly to where it's not going to fall off. And this will be how you do any applique, even if it's not a full body piece. The little ones, they come with mesh. If they come with mesh, or if you get a yard or lace appliques, they're on mesh. You just burn the mesh off. Okay, so I got that off. And I'm going to be done with this wood burner. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. It's a switch right here. It's a switch right here. And you just turn it off. And yeah, unplug it. Okay, so I have my mesh completely burnt off around it. It don't have to be perfect, but like I said, it gets close to it so that you won't see any mesh. And then for the bottom, these little pieces, I was not going to go around them individually. Little pieces like this, you can just hand sew onto the dress if you want the extras, or glue on E6000. It's really your preference. Okay, so next I'm going to pin this on the dress. Here's the dress that it'll be going on. And we're going to pin it on there and hand sew.